Yo, what is up guys? So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create your own eBay account and get up to $1,000 every 3 days. Now, I know this is possible even on a brand new eBay. Well, you would want your eBay to be like active for a couple days, but usually even on a brand new eBay you could do this. You just got to download the app TikTok. You can download TikTok, and TikTok is literally free advertisement. You just have to find a cool product, good product, and it actually has to help someone, or it just has to like be something they would want. Cool, like a Nerf gun that can like transform into like a dinosaur or something. You know, something people would want, or something funny as well. Also guys, in this video I'll be telling you what to do if someone tries to file a return on your product, because this has happened to me, and it's actually for false accusations. You know, I might have like a picture of just like something in the background of the picture, and they're like, oh, it didn't come with it. Like, yeah, if there's a couch in the background, the couch isn't gonna go with the freaking surfboard or whatever's in the picture. I'm getting mad, but like, it's common sense, and I don't know why people are literally doing that. I have to find a product first, and I'm gonna give myself 3 days to make at least, and I say at least, 2 sales. Or 1 sale. You know, 1 sale, I'll put it at 1 sale. I'm gonna make the product. If it is cheap, it sells much more. And if it's actually useful, it'll sell like hotcakes. Like, it does not matter the price. So let's get right into this, and I'll let you guys know when I find my product tomorrow, because it's actually late right now. Alright guys, so after a lot of hard work, you know, my eyes are burning, I'm about to go to sleep, but finally my items have been changed, because I did show you guys that I was going to be using a phone mount for a car, but I changed it to this camera because I was actually scrolling through TikTok eBay recommendations, you know, like people recommending people what to buy. I saw this video of this girl literally just opening up a camcorder. It was like super cheap. She's like, oh, go buy it on eBay. So I'm like, all right, I'm gonna save her video so I can re-upload it. I'll give her credit, obviously. But I'm gonna have like a link in my bio, and then people could just press on the link, and hopefully we get at least 1 sale. But I'll see you guys in the morning. Yo guys, it has been officially 1 day since our product, since listing our amazing product. And I have some okay news. Alright? So I did get 1 order, and that's it, because none of my videos went viral. So I only got 1 order. But guess what? I got that order with no advertisement. And that's why I love eBay. Last time someone did comment, oh, show the shipping process. I asked which app, and then I just said, oh, okay, so I'm just gonna show it on eBay, and let's get right into it. So basically, first you wanna find where you're gonna drop ship the item from. Now, if I go to eBay, and this is a product I sold that I also showed, is this product right here. Yeah, paid and shipped right now. Okay, so I'm gonna be using this other item I sold because the other one I already shipped out. Now right here, you don't ship on eBay unless you have the item with you, because then eBay just gives them the shipping like tracking number. It also tells them that you already sent it, which is it's much more less stress on you. So basically guys, what I just said, I had to cut all of that out because I did show the address. So basically what I'm saying is that you literally just find where you're gonna buy it. It can be from AliExpress, it can be from eBay. The cheapest and best shipping location you can find the item from is where you wanna get the item from. Alright, so now that I don't have it, let's say that this is the buyer, yeah? then all you want to do is just put in their info. Press this, order details, and then you press the order details number. Now I also cannot show this because it does show his address once again. So I cannot show what I just basically was talking about. So buy it now. No thanks, don't need no plan. For $3, don't need no plan.
Hello, I like money.
Address, you add all their information and go over here to their shipping details, and they will have, you just press on the shipping details and you can literally copy and paste it into to ship to on wherever you're using. So yep, ship to, address, boom. So here we go, confirm pay, and boom. That product that we just bought cost me $44 because it is like a metal, it's actually high quality. And then he bought it for $100. And then eBay takes a 13% fee, so 100 minus 13%. Okay, so alright, so $87 minus the checkout fee, which is 44. Right here, 44. $43 profit just from one order, and that was literally in a day span of one. So imagine you had a bunch of listings and they're actually doing good. Imagine you had what are all my items that I was showing that I was selling. Imagine you had those, then you would literally be balling. You would be like on God. So boom, now that we ordered his, go to orders, awaiting shipment, and then here's what you do. It says awaiting shipment, yeah, mark as shipped. Okay, go to all orders, and if they do request a cancellation, look at the reasoning, because this guy literally just messed up his address. I declined his cancellation and messaged him for his address so that I could, like, because he was probably, if he was gonna send a cancellation and I said yes, and then I didn't, and I still messaged him, he probably would have changed his mind. He would have been like, oh, I don't need it. So that's actually exactly why I didn't ask him. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to press the like button and also subscribe for even more quality content. My last video, I actually was reselling sneakers and I made some good profit. I also showed you guys how to sell the sneakers. So go watch that video and comment down below any other video ideas. Peace.